Have you found a fixer-upper on the market that has potential but isn't exactly what you wanted? Or maybe you're ready to make much-needed repairs and upgrades to your current home. If so, there's a solution that can help you turn any home into your perfect home. A renovation loan with Prime Lending. From minor repairs to major upgrades, a renovation loan can cover it all. The first step is understanding the types of repairs needed on a home. Required repairs bring a property up to code. Optional enhancements help modernize or improve a property. Now that you know what a renovation loan covers, here are the most popular reasons for upgrading a home. Make needed repairs to electrical, plumbing, or a roof. Upgrade a bathroom or a kitchen. Expand footprint by adding more square footage. Or create an outdoor living space with the pool of your dreams. As America's renovation lender, Prime Lending offers an unmatched suite of renovation loan options to fit your needs and has a dedicated team to guide you through every step. Plus, we'll roll the cost of renovations into your mortgage, so you only have one loan and one monthly payment. Here's how our renovation loan process works using Loanplicity with Prime Lending. You'll start by applying online to get pre-qualified. Collect bids for costs of renovation work. Have the property appraised. Close your loan. And renovate. Whether you're buying a fixer-upper or updating your current home, your possibilities are endless. You can turn this into that into this, and this into wow. At Prime Lending, we're here to make your renovation a reality. Contact one of our renovation loan experts today to learn more.